The Zulu King wants its independence from the government, so is asking for 10 rand donations from everyone. IOL News reports, in an effort to make the Zulu King and the royal family truly independent, King Mrs. Zulu Zwelithini's advisors have proposed a monthly 10 rand contribution by every Zulu person in South Africa and the rest of the world. When I saw this article, I was like, there is no way the Zulu King is broke. The Zulu King is not broke. He receives an annual budget of several $million from the government to support his royal household and traditional functions. Though the previous king, Goodwill Zwelithini, reportedly had a net worth of around $20 million before his death, the perception of being broke may stem from disputes over funds within the royal family or the ongoing costs associated with the large and complex traditional royal household and its numerous dependents. Yeah, so if you donate this 10 rand, you won't be donating because the king needs it. Maybe you'll just blow this on a weekend, just to do other things, just extra cash. You can donate just to make his life more comfortable.